It's Sunday and it's raining in Paris. So this is a good day to clean the apartment and do laundry. We've been here a little over a week. So I want to show you how we're deciphering the cleaning products. That's our tray of sweets. This is water with bubbles. And this is like mineral water, except not minerally, so that's pretty good. This is our bread that we need to restock on. Butter. And right now we're doing, so this is a combo washer dryer. And so you don't even have to take it out of the washer to start the dry cycle. And so if you turn it to the right, it's a washer. If you turn the dial to the left, it's on dry. Don't ask me what those numbers mean because they're not uh, they're not accurate. The clothes aren't going to be in there for 2 hours and 40 minutes, and they're not going to be in there for 2 minutes and 40 seconds. So it's, yeah, have no idea. So, but that's the laundry detergent. And then we got lucky. So this is mostly just guessing. The pictures help. So we didn't use that. But this one, the shape right here was a giveaway that was toilet cleaner. And then we decided that this one was probably for the counters. Tomorrow is a holiday, another holiday in France, and so a lot of places will be closed on Monday. So we're going to head out here and make sure we have enough bread. So, because that's one thing we've gotten used to having is fresh bread, fresh croissants, and all the options for bread every day. And they don't have 24-hour places here, so or even 7 days. Well, they have some 7 days a week places, but some of the really nice bakeries and shops, they're just not open on the weekend or not open on Sundays, and they're definitely not open on holidays. So see you later.